Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious fried rice using just an electric kettle. First, gather all your ingredients like day-old cooked rice, your favorite vegetables, and a protein such as egg or chicken. Make sure your kettle is clean and ready. Chop all your ingredients into small, manageable pieces, ensuring they are uniform for even cooking. This preparation is key for a quick and tasty meal. Now let's start cooking. Add about 1 tablespoon of cooking oil to your kettle. Turn it on to heat the oil. Once warm, add your aromatics such as minced garlic and ginger and sauté for about 1 minute until fragrant. Next, toss in your chopped vegetables like peas, carrots, or corn. Cook these for approximately 3 minutes, stirring occasionally until they are slightly tender crisp. This builds the flavor base. It's time to add the stars of our dish. Carefully add your pre-cooked day-old rice into the kettle. Use a spoon or spatula to break up any clumps, ensuring the rice separates nicely. Then, introduce your cooked protein. This could be scrambled egg, diced chicken, or even tofu. Gently stir all the ingredients together, mixing them thoroughly. This step ensures every bite is packed with flavor and texture. Finally, let's season our fried rice to perfection. Drizzle about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and a small dash, perhaps 1/2 teaspoon, of sesame oil over the mixture. Stir everything thoroughly to ensure the seasonings are evenly distributed and coat every grain of rice. Once mixed, your delicious kettle fried rice is ready. Serve it immediately while it's warm and enjoy your quick, easy, and satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.